Alright, this is gonna be the most basic and budget friendly recipe for, as we call in PI, Kinamatisang baboy. Rough translation would be tomatoes with pig, or in this case pork belly. And to start off, we're just gonna need a few things: your pork belly, your tomatoes, your onions, your garlic, and your fish sauce. For the pork belly, we're gonna slice them into thin slices, bite sizes of course. Just like so. For the onions, just dice them up. And so with the garlic. As for the tomatoes, you're gonna dice them up too. And I really need to sharpen up my knives. We're going to start off with a couple of tablespoons of cooking oil on your pan. Swirl them around. Put in the onions. Now I do this, I put salt just to get the juices out. Add in your garlic. And your tomatoes. Keep flipping them around. Once your tomatoes have broke down a little bit, add in your pork. Saute them for a little bit. Then add in your fish sauce, your freshly cracked black pepper, toss them for a little bit, put the lid on, put about a cup of water in. Let it simmer for about 15-20 minutes. Adjust the salt and pepper to your liking. After simmering it for about 20 minutes, it should be done. Transfer it to a serving dish, and there you go. One of the easiest, budget-friendly recipe. And as usual, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.